Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, and we frequently field the following fact pattern and scenario for our clients because it really becomes a very stressful time after they've been hurt on the job, but the money that's coming in from weekly comp benefits or any other sources is just not enough money. The question is, can I take a new job while I'm pursuing a workers' compensation claim? Well, the short answer is yes, you can, but you have certain obligations that must be taken into consideration. If you can perform that new job and it doesn't conflict with your doctor's professional restrictions, requirements, limitations that they advise you as their patient, if you can physically handle that job, then you should consider it if you can handle it. You've got to do what's best for your family. We understand that. If you suffer an on-the-job injury, it doesn't mean you have to just sit around and not pursue things financially for you and your family. However, please keep in mind the following. You really need to be honest with the new employer. They need to know what's going on with you. The worst thing you can do is fill out an application and you mark on there that you weren't hurt on the job. Then we get into litigation. They find that paper through the discovery, through non-party subpoenas, and your credibility is out the window. So be honest, be upfront with them. Let them know where you're injured, what your limitations are, what you can and cannot do, those types of things. Secondly, if you happen to be drawing weekly TTD, temporary total disability benefit checks, we need to inform the insurance company because those benefit checks either will stop completely or they'll be reduced depending on how much money you're making with this new job. Because if they find out that you have a job, getting paid compensation that way, and you're receiving TTD benefits, that can be considered criminal activity. It could be considered insurance fraud, and you don't want to do that. That is something that is very serious in our state and other states. People go to jail and they have to pay restitution. The other considerations is, and this is really a little bit lesser, it shouldn't be as much of a concern for you, is having this new job could affect or impact the value of your work comp settlement, but we won't know what that is until the end of the case, until you're finished with all of your healing. You should keep these things in mind. I know that it's best for you to provide for your family. We understand that, and we'll work with you. If you have questions about this, because it does come up quite a bit, give us a call at 205-930-6900. That's our office number. Nomberglaw.com is our website. If you liked this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you didn't, we'd love to know why not. We'd also appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing to our channel as we put new videos up all the time. Lastly, we can be found on Facebook and Twitter.